do I have to let him in?
Open the door now!
Oh.
What's up, brother? Dude! Oh my gosh! Your mom has a level 10 Gaia! Here's our vegetables first. Special guest. What the Sigma? Where's my skibbity slicers? So, man, got any sisters?
That's kind of weird, dude.
Oh, not weird at all. They call me the Rizzler. The, Rizzy the Pooh. The Rizzly Bear. Rizzler of us. And, Rizzler. No, my sunshine. Oh, I love you